Hey dudes, welcome back to another video. Today we're reacting to this apparently. No, today we're reacting to Dude Perfect build a boat battle. And I don't know who's gonna win.
Dude Perfect. What's up guys, we're Dude Perfect and welcome to the very first ever build a boat battle.
Obviously, this is the title. Okay, let's see.
The rules for this battle are simple. Build a homemade boat, stay within the budget, and get to the other side of the pond. Fastest time is the winner. Howdy partners, Captain Ty here, captain of the Stealth Floater. I decided to go with the handy PVC pipe. Welcome to the plastic bottle boat.
That's a good boat.
Into the game, I will be going with the Catamaran sailboat. Ladies and gentlemen, these guys clearly have not
Well,
watched
plastic bottles do float a lot, so obviously it would float. I think you would win.
This is the stability part of the boat. I know it doesn't look
How
like
would that float?
Looks like a pile of plastic bottles, but that's because you're here now and not once it looks like a boat. I don't know why I made this, but I think this is on sailboats. Basically, I'm trying to make a little contraption right now. Just kind of churn butter, really. Water in this case. I am going to take mesh made of metal and I'm going to spray a sealant on it. I went straight through the boat. I'm sinking with that situation, but I've just activated the backup plan. Tape.
How would that gonna work? How is that gonna work?
Oh, I love building boats, man.
Nice. Perfect. Oh, that's yeah, I think it's gonna win.
Great day. There's a lot of excitement in the air right now. Christopher Columbus himself inspired me to create our own boats. My main means of acceleration is the wind. I think it might sail on land if I'm not careful. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly could not be more proud. I almost wore a suit and tie today because of how confident I am that I'm not getting wet. I just want to direct your attention to the double jet propulsion in the back. I feel like I'm gonna fly, you know? Not sure she'll float. She's kind of heavy. At least this would be considered a
he almost wore a tuxedo because he was kind of so confident he was not gonna get wet.
Sealed tape. My oar, I literally think I can win. Ladies and gentlemen,
Corey and Kobe, I think, are gonna get over there. Yeah.
A metal fan blade. By now, you've seen all the boat designs. Comment below who you think's gonna win.
Do not try this at home. Okay.
Where's the wind? Oh no, his rudder came off! Oh no, and an epic failure. The only way to steer his ship is gone. Hey Ty, what do you call somebody who sails? A salesman. Oh, nice, dude.
Oh, he made it. In 4 minutes.
Under 5 minutes! Under 5 minute crossing. I think Christopher would be proud of that.
For 4
a great sailor, but I'm just glad I'm not underwater.
4 minutes and 50 seconds.
When you put weight on it, the boat does not float. He's off! Oh no! Balance, Gary! It's sinking. That's all we needed to hear. Good try, Gare. We're proud of you. This is like jet ski meets hovercraft meets Kobe Cruz into his second ever victory. Good luck, sir. Here we go, boys. Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh my God.
This is so funny.
So you wear a tuxedo. So he was so confident he wasn't get wet. Once you get out, you're soaked and wet.
That is a recyclable jet ski. That's amazing.
He's soaking wet right
now.
now.
You gotta beat 3:59. How do you feel? My new boat, renamed the Tape Me to Victory, is gonna take me all the way across. Guys, it's floating!
Take me. Oh, smart.
Oh my gosh, he built a working canoe! No way! It's working!
Whoa.
Go, Cord, go! Faster! He took a metal mesh and sealed it with tape and is absolutely destroying the competition. It is paying off tremendously, folks.
Wow.
This is gonna be close. Go, Corey! Go, go! 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 You got this. Into the seaweed.
Did he just went?
Through.
He.
Alright, he's on the shore. Ladies and gentlemen, with a time of 3 minutes and 5 seconds. No!
Oh my. What?
Yes! Only Tyler can dethrone him at this point, folks. My! Guys, I'm so tired, but I'm so happy right now.
Whoa.
I just made a canoe out of tape. All right, folks, it all comes down to this.
Let's see what would happen. He's already slipping.
Good luck! Oh my word! He's in the mud, boys. Corey's feeling good right now. This might be the worst design of them all. Oh my god! Oh, poor guy hurt. Oh, we got.
I don't think that works.
He's gonna. Oh, the winner! The winner! Oh, wow!
He's the winner.
Oh my gosh, I did not see that coming! It was such a good design! Was it?
It's the face of a defeated man.
I was outsmarted today. A little over-engineered. The thought was good, didn't account for the weeds in the pond. Hey, this works great! Let's head to the trophy presentation! Ladies and gentlemen, if we've learned anything today, it's that you were an impressive man, Christopher Columbus. Man, my boat wouldn't have got out of the harbor. Would have lost one right off the bat. Corey, it is not my honor, but it is certainly my duty to present you with the Mayflower Golden Ship. Guys, I am so happy. I just want to say thanks to Chris. You really taught me a lot, and I appreciate it. It's Chris. Columbus. Chris Tupper. Oh, yeah. Columbus. Obviously, the reason for doing the video.
Oh,
Of course. Yeah. Anyways, hey, if you don't want to miss out on any new DP videos, make sure you click down here to subscribe. If you want to see the last video, click right here. If you want some awesome DP merch, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it. Noggin. See ya!
Well, guys, this.
Yeah, and I'm gonna go get my boat out of the water. I might save this for airplane battle. A few modifications. I'll be in good shape.
Well, guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Peace out.